Yo, what's up everybody? In this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can join a TikTok live. So let's say somebody's going live in TikTok and you want to also go live with them as well. And you can also see other people, like you can see two people going live at the same time and a single screen. And you also are wondering how you can do that. So let's say your friend is going live and you want to join their live. Just like in Instagram story, if somebody goes live, you can also join their live, right? Well, in TikTok, you can also do that. So I'm gonna be teaching you guys how you guys can do that. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel, want to step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. Let's move on. First step, go on profile and check if you have 1,000 followers or not, because going live option only is allowed to those person who has more than 1,000 followers. So I have more than 1,000 followers on my TikTok over here, and you can also go follow my TikTok if you want. All right, I have tons of iPhone tips and hacks over here. So basically I have more than 1,000 followers. So in order to join other people's live, what I need to do is go on home. Once I'm on home, on the top left corner of my screen, you can see the live button, right? Click on live. It's going to show all the people who are going live at the current time over here. All right, so this is the example of joining a TikTok live. As you guys can see, two people are streaming at the same time and I can see both of their lives like this. So if you also want to do this with your friends, what you need to do is first find a live. And once you see a live over here at the bottom, as you guys can see, multi-GU, you can see a red and a blue person over here, right? That icon is right beside add a comment, as you guys can see. So once I click on it, it says the host is currently only taking requests. So which means that if I follow her only, I can, join her live. So if I click on follow and click on the same button again, basically a live request is going to be sent to her. And if she accepts, then I can go live with her at the same time, all right? So that's basically how you guys can do it. Now, some people have that icon and some people don't. So this guy doesn't has that icon, which means like this guy has disabled like going live feature, which means only he can go live. If I want to join, I cannot. All right. So basically, if you don't see the logo, it means that they have disabled that feature. And if you see the logo in some people, so let me just show you some people for an example. As you guys can see, in this case, I can see this logo. So I can click and go live with her at the same time. All right. So yeah. That's basically how you guys can go live with, other people on TikTok. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. One step. See you guys next time. Bye-bye.